The centre has filed an affidavit before the Supreme Court opposing the legal recognition of same-sex marriages. In the affidavit, the centre has said the same-sex relationships and heterosexual relationships are clearly distinct classes that cannot be treated identically. In its counter affidavit in the Supreme Court, the centre said that decriminalisation of Section 377 IPC cannot give rise to a claim to seek recognition for same-sex marriages. Statutory recognition of marriage limited to heterosexual in nature is the norm throughout history and is foundational to both existence and continuance of the state, the centre said. Hence, considering its social value, the state has a compelling interest in granting recognition to heterosexual marriage only to the exclusion of other forms of marriage or unions, the counter affidavit read. The affidavit said that the institution of marriage and the family are important social institutions in India that provide for the security, support and companionship of the members of our society and bear an important role in the rearing of children and their mental and psychological upbringing also. The centre said that marriage between a biological man and a biological woman takes place either under the personal laws or codified laws, namely the Hindu Marriage Act 1955, the Christian Marriage Act 1972, the Parsi Marriage and Divorce Act 1936 or the Special Marriage Act 1954 or the Foreign Marriage Act 1969. The centre further added that while it is necessary to recognize that while there may be various other forms of marriages or unions or personal understandings of relationships between individuals in a society, the state limits the recognition to the heterosexual form. The state does not recognize these other forms of marriages or unions or personal understandings of relationships between individuals in society, but the same are not unlawful, centre said. The centre also asserted that no fundamental rights are violated due to its non-recognition of the same-sex marriages. The Supreme Court is scheduled to hear a batch of pleas seeking legal validation for same-sex marriage on March 13th. A bench comprising Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, Justice P.N. Narasimha and Justice J.B. Pardiwala will hear the pleas. In a landmark verdict on September 6, 2018, the top court struck down Section 377, which criminalized same-sex relationships.